Hello, I am Mallikarjun Hudedmani. Would like to share my video lectures and problem solving classes to you all to make your preparation easier and solve problems in a very effective manner. Number of problems which have been used to present to you surely help you to get the good attention to solve the problems. Your constructive feedback is always expected, and please give feedback to improve upon the videos which I'm going to upload. This how questions will be. Definitely questions start from what is a service mains, what is meter board wiring, what is distribution board wiring. That's all. First question. Explain service mains wiring, meter board wiring, and distribution board wiring. What is overhead service mains? What is underground service mains? Separate question. What is overhead service mains, like how a diagram is depicting to you. What is underground service mains? Correct? Very simple. Just a rough sketch with a pen and you can do it. And one more thing I have mentioned a lot more times. When you are writing a VTV examination, kindly take care. Your sketches should be very dark, or either it would be in pen only. But I remember I used the word try to draw by pen only all the time. I do not distinguish pen and pencil. You might be remembering my statements, because when I scan your paper in the VTU, I will see scan of pencils become very dull and blur. Probably your drawing is missing there sometimes. Therefore, you have to either darken it or sketch by pen only. So people will not come to know you are drawn by pencil or pen when it is a soft copy in the PDF format. Okay, so take care, whichever is convenient, you need to be careful of that. So then we have the direct explanation. Explain two-way control of lamp with the switching table. This can be one question. Correct? One schematic, table, and how it works. It's enough. What this is called as staircase lamp wiring. Then next is explain three-way control of lamp, is also known as garden lamp wiring. So we have three switches, S1, S2, two-way, one intermediate switch, which have straight connection, which have cross connection. So one circuit, one table, another circuit, another table. Or you can draw circuit 1, circuit 2. A table can be combined. In a single way, you can combine the table. So when the switch intermediate is cross connected, how is this? When it is straight connected, how is that? So you can explain this garden lamp wiring. This can be one interesting question. So it always repeats. Explain staircase wiring, which is 2-point wiring. Explain garden lamp wiring, like this way. Next immediately is what is fuse, what is MCB. So for this, I have always requested you just like this one rough sketch. What is a fuse? The weakest element in the circuit, which oftenly break to protect the circuit, which need a replacement, which works on the Joule's effect, I square RT kind of effect, which need to be replaced. To the cumbersome of that, what is being done? Miniature circuit breaker is brought, which is repetitive in operation, which is called as a tripped, and resetting of knob. If I do, circuit again become functioning if fault is being cleared. So what is that MCB? One outline. Comparison of MCB and fuse can be done in the form of a table. About 3 to 4 points of comparison is required. Then very next to which is what is electric shock? How electric shock is prevented? How different levels? It is just it is not required to write the block. What is electric shock? Sufficient. Then how to protect ourselves? Precautions. How the operator should be with the electrical machines. What are all the things he need to use? Gloves, shoes, mask, goggle, and all the sockets, everything, how it should be done. Safety precautions related to electrical shock. So this usually repeats as a question. Okay. Then immediately, what is electrical earthing? Why electrical earthing must be done? So I have pipe earthing, a sketch, a brief outline of how it is being done. A plate earthing, how it is being done. So this way, one question on pipe or plate earthing is surely possible. This is a hardly 2-hour duration module connected to the transformer. You can expect hardly 6 marks, not more than that. So therefore, concentrate on the parameters possible and be aware out of which only 6 marks is